Okay, so once you've got a budget open, maybe you're using a template, maybe not. But let's just talk a little bit about how the budget's laid out. Here we have the top sheet view. This is the bird's eye view of the whole budget, where you get the totals for every category. And then if I press Apple down, I can drill down into the category itself, and then I can drill down further to get to the detail level. So all budgets are really broken down this way between top sheet, category, and detail. As I mentioned in another video, we have the cool Periscope navigator over here in the new view, which allows you to move around without using the keyboard shortcuts, which I think is a little bit more intuitive, a little bit more fun, and definitely a little bit faster. But once we're in here, if you need to create a new line, you can just enter at the bottom, or if you want to create it in the middle, Apple I inserts a row. You can also right-click on any row, and you can add row above or add row below. In the detail level, you can subtotal anything you want, which is usually pretty handy if you have more than one item going on within a line. Say second assistant director, I've got my second AD and my second AD. So I usually like to subtotal each of those since they're really unique parts of your budget. You can also create at any level. I can create another category here. And this is for training. Oop, got the tie up in there. Cool. And again, navigate down into it. I'm in the category level, and down further, I'm in the detail level. I got down into the detail level without even typing anything in here, but you're typically going to want to label your category before going into the detail.